Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Connects on Upwork. It's really simple and easy. First of all, you just have to open your browser and then come for this upwork.com. You have to log into your account and you will see this kind of interface. Now you can see these options. Here are the Connects. Just tap on this drop down menu and now as you can see the available Connects. If you have to buy Connects, tap on this buy Connects, then it will take you on this page. Now here is all the pricing plans. You can see you can buy 10 connects for $150, 20 for $3, 40 for $6, 60 for $9, and this goes on. So when you select the price and connects, you just have to tap on this buy connects and your connects will be buying easily on Upwork. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.